Good morning, welcome to ABC123 Trader. Today is the 29th of June. Let's see how the Nasdaq future is going to go today. Markets was actually kind of relatively flat this morning, but I'm just waiting. They had a good pull down since 8:30 this morning. I just want to see if they're going to try to fight its way back for another sell-off, or are they going to do a turnaround here. The volume is not moving overly that quickly right now, so we're just watching. We had a couple of high volume spikes. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a region here, and let me find where my region is. Okay, there's this area right here I'm quite kind of interested in, is because there's a lot of high volume. So I want to see if it does a high volume spike for a sell-off. We know we have two bottoms down here, so till it starts breaking down again, but we'll just go to a couple of minutes. As you can see on the direction, it's been going. We had a good sell-off here. It was been choppy. So, and you can see there's that sell-off spike. Let them play for a minute or two, and then we might take a sell position. This might be our day for sell-off. This is prior open, so we're just going to let them play for a minute or two, and then we'll go from there. Our goal would be probably around 47 if it does take off. We're just going to give it a minute or two here. Alrighty, let's go for it.
Order filled.
And so, there we go. Now let's see if we can push it down. We're at the bottom here. You can see it did a bounce on this direction. We'll see if we can get to, unless if it does a big quick snap back here. Let's see how bad the snap is. Just give it a second here. Let me open this up. Of course, a whole bunch of buy blocks again. So let's close this.
Order filled.
Down 360. I'm just trying to get this thing set up this morning here. And I'll wait and see, but it's the market is going to go down today. Should have watched it earlier, sorry. Gonna get ready for my sell market. Analyzing everything here. The volume point of control is right up here, so if it does start pushing up here, we can go back to the direction, but it should be going down today. Just give it a second or two. Trying to work its way back up. Okay, we got our first high volume bar here. See if they can break through all this resistance markers here. And what I'll do is I'm going to put a sell limit right on 54 here.
Order submitted.
Let's see, I just put a little bit below it. Well, actually, I'll put it right on 50. 50 or 49, unless if she turns around really quickly here. Put it right about there. That's my area of interest. Unless she turns off right away, then I'll sell market right away here.
Order canceled.
Alrighty, I'm gonna go for it
Order
again.
filled.
There it goes. Get back my 365 that I screwed up on first thing in the morning. $280. It's bouncing. Okay, I'll close
Order
that for
filled.
now. So I'm down 225. It needs to break the market open. Once we do that, we're going to sell market again. We're going to find out if she's going to go that direction. Could be just a fake spot for continuation going up. I'll still, if it does go up to this high zone here, unless if she breaks down right away, then I'm going to go for it. I want it to break the market open price. Okay, they did the fake out twice, so that was the first impulse, second impulse. We'll watch it. We'll watch this high volume markers. How I'm using the high volume. I showed you the 5-second trade, but right now when it's a whippy market, you can get knocked out quite a bit. So I watch it, see if it continues. If not, if it will fail. So this was 2 continuation purple markers on the sell side, but they're playing right now, and we're going to find out which direction they want to go. It's going to be continuation day, and so we'll find out. Well, if it doesn't go. If it breaks below the 70% zone, it'll probably be taking this baby. And I'm just waiting to see if this is going to break the market open price. Nice high volume selling. So we're going to find out. Our bottom right now is at, we have to watch out for, it would be around 80. Going to see if it's going to break this zone here. This zone right here. Good. 915 is being activated again. I wonder if they're gonna. Oh, they might play the same way they did yesterday and then continue on. We'll find out right away here. It needs to break this zone. If it starts breaking this this marker here, we'll find out right away. I want to see where it's at 54 at volume point of control, and then maybe we could just short it one more time. Could be another big sell-off. We don't know yet. Trying to get down to 62. That's the ultimate. If it gets down to 62, we're basically at volume point of control of the long term. Oh, there's a lot of resistance today. Let me see here. We're basically on the... How far down can we go to? 50-20. 50-20 would be our ultimate goal. If it starts selling off. Should be a sell-off right away here, unless they're going to play around all day. See, we're right by the institution line, and it's trying to fight there. It didn't go up to the volume point of control. They're starting to break down. Here's the market open price I'm really interested in. High volume selling going on right now, as you can see the purple bar, but see, it's not trying to break. We're still above the direction, so we have to watch out. And we know our bottom is down here. We've tested once. It all depends what the volume is happening. And right now, this is all mixed. So we had 172 cell block there, which is quite high, but they're playing games. So we'll just give them some time till they start breaking down, and then we can go from there. Where are we right now? Okay, still working this way. On the 5-second chart, which I'm monitoring right now, so you can see how choppy it is. We had that high volume spike. I was just trying to set up and it snapped up. I saw the down arrows ready for it. We had another sell bar here. I'm waiting for it to break down. If it does, we got continuation. We're at positive slope number 3 here. Just waiting. She's starting to fail slowly, but these numbers aren't moving, so. Alrighty, let's see. Now let's go for it. We have an impulse move. We're at the 70% zone.
Order filled.
Now, hopefully we can get down to 81. 185, 230, 250, 260,
Order
270.
filled.
I'll shut that down. So now I'm at break even for my screw up. This is where the sell off is we have to watch out for. We haven't broken the zone yet. There's a high volume marker right here, and this is what we got to watch out for. So we had a couple of high volumes, rejection, high volume again. We're going to see if it's going to continue on. If it does, then I'm going to go for it here right away. 915 is just solidified. So we're at negative 11 slope. That was a really big move if you really think about it. We did about 1,500 contracts on the sell, but we're at double bottom right now. So they tested this bottom, they're testing this bottom, so it could fire up. You know how they play those games. We're going to watch and see. Nice thing is we are below market open right now. Give it some time. As soon as this breaks through here, I think this is our move. and see. This is double rejection again. I just don't want to get trapped in their little games here. See if they fire up, because we're right at double bottom right now. Let me just focus this again. See if this just is a quick snap back, go back up, maybe go way up here. We don't know yet. Let them play these games, because we had high volume once, high volume twice, high volume 3 times. Back into the 70% zone. See if they go to volume point of control. If it was volume point of control, see how they just whipped it there? I plan these games again. And was it a lot of volume? Oh, quite a bit. Okay, let's see if they're going the other direction now. We're just waiting until they can get out of this whole region, this region that they're whipping everybody out in. What it looks like, because there hasn't been any really big runner moves in the morning. About a month ago, they kept on trending right out of the gate. Now they're just playing these whip out games. So you always have to massage and get ready to see what they're doing. And once you get into that trend for a week or 2 or 3 on trending. But what you can see here is they're just playing this a very, very tight range if you think about it for the New York session. So there was trending down from 6:30 in the morning. They did their big move there. That was a 100-point move actually. And then now they're playing within 40, 60 points up and down, up and down, up and down, whipping everybody out until it starts breaking down or breaking up. But you can see we had a good downtrend. They did a retracement. That snapped back where I got back the money where I screwed up in the morning. And now we're just waiting and seeing which direction they want to go. But see, there's a lot of resistance here. You got to break through this block, break through this block, break through this block, break through that block. If they do that, then they might sell it off again. And then when you look farther back in time, you can see where the bottom is, where all the volume is down here. So I think basically we're playing within this zone, and then we got to break through this zone to get here to play again. So that's what they're doing right now. So other than that, on the day trading part, what I'm looking for is to just hopefully get on the right side of the trade. It's been so it's a lot of massaging lately. So, and you can see when you usually get these bars, because this is like the trend cloud, usually it does retracement and then go for it. So it did the retracement, it went for it, and then now they're playing again. So it could be they're trying to break it up, but we do have a long trend here. Like, I mean, this is a lot of resistance lines. So we'll have to wait and see. Because when you look on a 5-second chart, which is really crazy, that okay, we started in the morning. See, we haven't gone anywhere. We had high volume first thing in the morning, and then they kill it off. They hit the stops. This is where the stops they did. Maybe this is stop for liquidity. They go out here. They hit the stops for liquidity. They go down here. They hit the stops for liquidity. Then they go up this way again. So they're trying to whip everybody out. The thing is don't regard these lines for anything. But this is a major trend right here that they have to break if they do that. And then I just put regions for target profits here. Boom, boom. These are about 30-point ranges. So until then. But if you think about it, okay, so if this was, we got 30, 60-point swings here right now. So this is what we're waiting for until they figure out which direction they want to go. Clean up the chart a bit. The only area I'm really interested is right here for now. And then if it keeps on going, then I'll look at this area here. Somewhere in that area. Yeah, we can get to 47. Let's see where we are right now. Just playing a lot of ugly games right now. And if you look at a 5-minute chart right now, see we're in that, see they're playing just right from here to here, here to here. So you got to think about 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes, and they're just it's just having fun today, guys. Let's go back to our main chart here. So we broke up again. See how they went? This has been a really bad morning. See, you like these trends here. And we'll have to check out the times here. Once it starts trending, it goes good. But because of the volatility in the morning and they're just whipping everybody out. See, he's tried it, reversed it, tried it again, reversed it going down, screwing them up, going back up. And look at this. Look how ugly this chart would be. It's just all gobbledygook right now. Yeah, this is not a trader's chart for sure. The bottom line is we just have to wait till we get out of this the 915. Once we get out of the 915, I think we should be good to go. If we can get out of the 915. I can take one more short right away here. Getting close. Just watching these numbers here. So we've got pink, 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 tighter pink bars. We're right at market open price. Indecision. We're about 5 minutes. Okay, so volume point of control just moved down to 22. That's almost like a telltale signal that it wants to push down, but we'll give it a second here. Let's see what this does. Let me just also check. Yeah. 11.82. Basically have to break the 15,100 level before we can really get going here. Or if it's going to be a choppy day, then we're going to be done for today. It'd be a break-even day basically. Okay, here we go. Still playing. Break out of the 70 zone, we could probably take a trade here. Not much, but something. Get ready. Let's go for it right now.
Order filled.
Let's see if I can get down to at least to the bottom, even for $100 until we can get going here. We're out of the 70 zone. Shoot, I should have closed it.
Order filled.
Okay, we'll put a few dollars in until they can figure out what direction. They might be just playing the whip again. There's a lot of buy blocks coming in. Just wanted to do a quick scalp here. As you can see, it was giving some momentum, but they're still playing games. See, we hit the bottom here, and we're not out of the 915, so I don't really trust it right now. But you know what? I just want to scalp to just get a little bit of profits for today until we can get going here. And it's just a terrible day. We just need to know if we can break this zone. If we break this zone, because we're just below the 15,100 mark here. So they're still playing, and we haven't had any big momentums yet. And I'm waiting for 5 minutes before the top of the hour, so we really have to watch. Now what we have to do is we've got 3 breakouts here. So you know these fake breakouts. So right here is it tried once, tried twice, maybe it's 3 times and goes, but you can tell it's wedging down. So. But we still haven't had high numbers, and if we do go, we could possibly get to 15,047 once it gets going here. And so we had up direction, down direction, up direction, down direction, up direction, down direction. So it's still playing the whip out game. Yeah, it wants to break down. It wants to break down. It still takes some time. We'll find out right away, right at the top of the hour. See if it fires up or fires down. We've got, I don't know how many seconds left here. Let's check here. 15 seconds. We'll find out right at 10 o'clock here. I'm going to put sell market for fun, just in case. Could fire right up right away here. We'll just see here. 2, 1, 0. Let's see which direction it wants to fire. Really? No volume at 10 o'clock? What games are they playing today then? Alright, 10 o'clock and no volume. Interesting. You're gonna go down. Wow, no volume at 10 o'clock. Usually it just gyrates everywhere right at 10 o'clock here. And they're kind of delaying it. There we go, a little bit more price action, but nothing really. We've stayed between 15,145 to 15,080, and for a good 15 minutes. Okay, we're back at volume point of control. See, look at this. Whip down, whip up, whip down, whip up, whip down, whip up, whip down, whip up. They're just, it's just terrible. And there hasn't been that many good scalping opportunities, because you can see, look at, there's no pattern. Boom here, up, down, pattern, down, pattern, up, pattern, down, up, up. It's all within that range. If you're a range trader, you'd probably be cashed in by now, but I don't range trade, so. See what happens maybe around 20 after 10. See if we can get an impulse move for at least a half an hour. On the see it through, we basically broke up to the upside, but it's just starting, and I don't know. I don't trust it. It's just there's just no price action. We're very, very flat. That's the zone we have to watch out for, unless she's retapping for a range again. Doesn't make sense to me. First transition bar. I don't like going against a trend. I don't want to go against a trend yet. Too tight of a range. We're still in 915. Just nothing's happening. Just ugly. Gotta break out of there. I say it's going down, but yeah, I'm gonna sell.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get down there. It looks like she wants to break through now. Get a couple $100 in there. There we go.
Order filled.
We're done for today. Finally did the breakdown. That's what I was waiting for. Yeah, finally was. I knew they were playing games here for a long time. And how many minutes did it take? It took until 10:07 before they did the big sell-off here. And now they're hitting major buy blocks. I'm done for today, guys. It's too long of a trade day here. So I started with 380 in the beginning. Oops, sorry. And see, the 10:07 66 block. That's the one where they just vibrated everywhere. And yeah, it was interesting. It was a really one of those days that you just get so frustrated that you've been playing consolidation. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to email me at abc123trade, or just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.